Thank you so much, all of you all, to be here in large numbers, and thank you for such a warm and wonderful response to the whatever we showed. It was very last minute. We shot it yesterday, and I could see the laughter. So you can imagine the power of Mr. Anis Bazmi's pen, and his wit and humor is unbelievable. Matter of fact, whenever there's a comedy film, when it's written by Anis Bazmi and directed by him, I said, okay, I have to be in that film. I've done a lot of films with him, and hopefully this also becomes a very successful and, of course, loved by the entire family. And that's what I like about Anis Bazmi. He caters to the entire family. And, of course, I want to thank Feroz. We worked with each other since many, many years. I think almost more than 20 years, 2 decades we've been working together. I've been working with his production. He's a wonderful producer, great producer, and one of the last of the Mohicans left. So please give a big hand. We have to encourage producers like Feroz Nadiadwala. I'm working with Nana after 5 years, and it's wonderful to work with him. He's such a great actor, such a great actor. He's always an inspiration and always a pleasure to work with. Thank you, Nana, once again, for giving me the pleasure of working with you. Thank you so much. Paresh, what do I say? I was working, working internationally, and they were, saying, Anil, you were, so, I like the way you work, and you're doing really well. I said, Sala, मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं हूँ, कुछ भी नहीं हूँ. हिंदुस्तान में ऐसे actors हैं, Paresh Rawal जैसे. They are world-class actors, and Paresh Rawal is one of them. World-class actor. And, well, what do I say about John? This is my 3rd film with him. I did Race, which was a huge success, and then Shootout Wadala, and that was a turning point. And what a wonderful performance John gave, and proved everybody wrong. Absolutely, everybody wrong. And, I think that's just the beginning. Shootout Wadala is just the beginning of a glorious career ahead of Mr. John Abraham. You must be knowing that even Madras Cafe is doing so well. And, well, it's a very emotional thing for me today that I have this pleasure to work with one of the actors whom I have admired all my life, and I still admire him. Matter of fact, he's been an inspiration for me. I've learned a lot from him, and that is Mr. Kamla Hassan. Kamla Hassan definitely, I think, is an inspiration for all of us over here, and he's made India proud, and today we have the honor of working with his daughter, Shruti Hassan. Thank you, Shruti. Welcome back. Thank you very much.